A group of militants late last night opened fire at the house of the Minister of State for Hajj and Awqaf, Farooq Andrabi. A leader of the ruling party, People's Democratic Party in the South Kashmir's Anantnag district, officials said one policeman was injured in the attack. The militants forced their way into the house of Andrabi in Duru and took away 4 rifles of the security guards, police said. Andrabi, who is also a close relative of Chief Minister Mahbooba Mufti, was not present inside when the incident took place. The injured policeman was taken to a hospital in Srinagar for treatment. With video journalist Roofani, this is Ashik Mir for Kashmir Crown.